Okay, we are back with the points and names of the pieces. Okay, what most people are unaware of that the pieces have the chess pieces. They have a value system. Okay, so first let's go over the names. Okay, we have the king, which is worth no points because a king cannot be captured. Points represents when you capture a piece, how many points do you have on your side of the board or in your captive. Okay, or in captivity, and kings can never be captured, so therefore they never are given a point value. Okay, so kings are known as 0 points, worth 0 points. Queens can be captured. You can take somebody queen off the board. So queens represents a high value of 9 points. Rooks are 5 points each. If you capture somebody's rook, you have 5 points on your side. Bishops and knights alike are 3 points each, and pawns are 1 point each. Okay, so now we have a point system. We should know which pieces we want to protect on our side and which pieces we want to go after, if we can. Okay, because a queen is so high value, you don't want your queen near your enemy side of the board. Okay, you don't want to be down 9-0. So you keep your queen home next to your king. Your rooks, likewise, are 5 points each. If you lose 5 points, it's kind of hard to make that up. So you want to keep your rooks and your queens next to your king. Okay, your knights and bishops, they're a little more expendable. You can get those out in the battle and fight. The queen is 9 points. You only have one queen. The rooks are 5 points each. So if you lose one rook, you still have a chance. You have two bishops and two knights. Okay, that's 12 points. That's why they're allowed to fight in the early stage of the game. The queens usually come out during the middle game when half the pieces are near off the board. Okay, rooks only come out when everything is pretty much off the board. Okay, when it's just rooks and pawns. Okay, so now we have the king, the queen, the rook, the bishop, the knight, the pawn. Those are the correct acceptable names of the pieces in the chess world. Okay, a king is worth 0 points because it cannot be captured. Remember, points represents what you can capture. You cannot capture a king, therefore you'll never have points for a king. But you can capture a queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn. So when somebody queen is out, when you see 9 points are on the board, it becomes a target. Okay, you don't chase to capture it, but you do want to strategically try to capture 9 points if it's available. Rooks, of course, the same thing. All right, so that's a little bit of information on the chess pieces names and the piece value.